Hi everybody. My apologies, the lighting is a bit dim today. I couldn't wait for a sunny day. I've just come off a whole couple weeks of a cloudy time and I've got a bunch of cloudy days ahead, so I thought I'd just work with what I've got. um, Today I'm bringing you some handmade ornaments that you can hand stitch, and the complete tutorial and the templates are the free templates you can request are all on my website, and I will put the link in the description of this video. But I thought I'd share some up close video of these. So it's a whole collection of a bunch of different shapes, and they're really simple to make. You take the templates that I give you and make them cardboard templates. The instructions all for that are included, and then you draw the shape onto your fabric and layer your fabric onto a batting, a thin cotton batting. That's my favorite batting to use for quilting. It's just very thin, and I always have scraps, so this is perfect for that. And then a backing. In some cases I did the backing exactly the same as the front, and in others not so much. And then you take embroidery floss and you stitch around the shape that you made, and then you cut it out with pinking shears so that it's just got like a bit of a fun raw edge. And then I found buttons that suited the shape, and I went through my trims. That was fun. And found trims that also worked with it, and I made up a whole pile. They're really quite cute. So you got a mitten and an apple and a pear, a little stocking, a cute little button, a tree, a pine tree, with I found a star button on top, and a little angel, and I found a little oval gold button, so that to me represented her halo, and a gingerbread man. Now I also, what I did when I made this one, I made it as a keepsake for the year that Ember, my kitty cat, came to live with us. She showed up at the outside in this middle of this forest. I think at the time my other cats, Ash and Cole, were outside too. And I think that's why that would have been why she hung around. And the next day she was still there. It was pouring rain out, and it took me 2 hours to convince her with a little bowl of food to trust me, and then I got her to come inside, and she became part of our family. Anyways, this is a keepsake for that. So you can do that too. On the back of the ornaments is print whatever you like. So that's a nice way to make a memory as well. And if you notice, I have buttons on the front and the back, the same button. Okay, so, and then I've got a snowflake with this I used a silver embroidery floss for this one, and then used a silvery tie, a little bird, a dove, and a star with a star button, and a heart. And if you notice, I used my plaids. This is great to use up scraps. I love plaids, so I had lots of plaid scraps. And they just made a really nice handmade collection. No sewing machine required. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy making these. If you do, I would love to see a picture of them. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.